Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a GM or Opel vehicle, guys, and you have a transmission, automatic transmission fluid leak, guys, oil leak somewhere, we're going to discuss now, guys, what could be causing that. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel where we have more than 200 vehicles on every car we get here at the shop. So we have this EcoTech engine that's developed by Opel and General Motors, automatic transmission, and we'll show you guys the most common places, okay, to develop a transmission line leak, guys. Okay. And as you know, guys, stay with us. I'm going to show you 4 places where you can develop a leak. Now, that's the most common ones. Now, every guy's automatic transmission has a cooler somewhere, cooler radiator. In some cases, it will be integrated in the big antifreeze coolant radiator here. Okay, you can see this is antifreeze goes here, exits on the other side, and this is transmission lines. Now, this is, guys, one of the most common leaks. Right here where your transmission lines attach, guys. Okay, let us show you. Okay, let's remove this one quick. I'm going to show you now. On this line, guys, it just attaches with one spring. Let me show you quick. Okay, we're going to pull it out. And if that line, the O-ring inside is bad, you're going to leak fluid. Okay, and we're going to remove one of the fittings now and to show you where you have a hidden O-ring seal as well. So, we're going to get it loose and I'll demonstrate. Okay, this is the fitting. You have a hidden O-ring on this side and one on the inside. And that, guys, okay, that O-ring contacts, okay, the line right here, and if it's wore out, you will leak fluid from right here. You can see it will not seal good. Now, another place will be your transmission lines, guys. Okay, they have extension lines, okay, all the way down there. They have 2 more fittings with O-rings, just like the ones that we have here. So you can check those there as well. Number 3, guys, will be where the transmission lines attached to the transmission. You have a seal there, and one of the most common reasons is the transmission pan, guys. Okay, transmission pan usually is removable, so you can replace the filter and you can replace solenoids, but you have to do quite a few things. So check this thing out as well, guys. So those are the most common leaks, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you having an Opel or GM vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.